Welcome to the Green at Ucdavis. This is the student housing for transfer students as well as sophomores and beyond. So today I will be giving you a tour of the double occupancy unit at the Mint building in the Green. So when you walk in, you're greeted with the kitchen / nook and living room area. Now, every apartment at the Green is fully furnished with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, as well as a dishwasher in the kitchen area. I was very impressed with so much cabinet space in this kitchen. They also have an oven so you can bake things. So everything is a fully working kitchen. So here's the nook / dining area with 2 chairs, a table, just perfect to have your quick lunch, breakfast, dinner. So we're entering the living area. There's a very spacious couch, an end table, as well as a kind of an entertainment center right there by the wall, which is perfect for a flat screen TV, I feel like, or just some decorations, whatever you need, and or maybe some more storage. One thing I love about this place is how the window brings so much light into the apartment. But also there's a lot of lighting in every single room space. So there's one in the living room area, the kitchen area, as well as this area that we're moving into now. So this is the hallway area leading to the bathroom and the bedrooms. So this is the bathroom right here. The bathroom is very spacious. There is no counter space though inside the toilet / shower area, but there's so much room to bring in kind of like a 3-tier tray of some sort or cabinets in this space. So there's their cleaning supplies right there. You do need to bring your own shower curtain, so it does not come with that shower curtain. If anything, I think you just need kind of like a side table to place your shampoos and other bathroom products in there. Next is the bedroom area to the right. The bedroom is also very, very spacious. Once I open this door right here, as you can see, for a double occupancy bedroom, this is huge. There are 2 full-size beds in here, fully furnished. It comes with a dresser as well as a study table, and it also has that unit where you can plug things. The desk is pretty standard. There's a small pull-out cabinet right underneath the desk, which is very thin. I think you could just put pencils in there, but this console right here is money. I feel like you can plug things through this outlet, and then you have some space to kind of break up the table and put your little trinkets in there. So this is the space for one person. You've got your bed, the dresser, and the wall to the right is where you would put your hanged clothes. So my only gripe about these drawers is that they're not deep enough. So I attempted to show you some kind of measurement using my hand, but really I would say it's about 4 inches deep. And I wish there were some drawers that were deeper for kind of bigger items like towels right there at the very bottom. So behind this door is the closet space for one person. As you can see where the hangers are, it's about 4 feet in height, maybe 4.5 feet in height from the hangers down to the floor. There's a shelving space where you could, or counter space where you could put stuff above the hanged clothes. But this is the section right here for putting hand clothes, as well as maybe your laundry basket. So as you exit the room, right in front of you is kind of an extension to the bathroom, which is a sink where you could do your makeup or skincare or brush your teeth, all the things. There's 4 fairly good sized drawers. They're not as deep or maybe not as tall, but they're very deep. So you could definitely put a lot of items in here, a lot of your skincare products, your toothpaste, toothbrush, all of the things that you would need, toiletries, that kind of thing. So that's the tour of a double occupancy apartment at the Green. If you like this video or learned something, please give this video a thumbs up. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back in my corner soon. Bye!